Standard 7, Subject Maths, Chapter number 12, Perimeter and Area. Children, in the last video you have seen what is perimeter. Definition for perimeter: the sum of the length of all the sides of a closed figure is the perimeter of that figure. Now in the last video I have given you the example of the pentagon. Now what is the perimeter of this polygon? Is the sum of the length of all the sides. Now perimeter of a rectangle. We have seen the perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Square, perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by side. Now today we are going to see area of a rectangle. Now area of a rectangle have length and breadth. So the area of a rectangle equal to length multiplied by breadth. Area of a square, side multiplied by side or side square. Okay, this square is consist 4 length, it got 4 length, but we are going to find the area, so any two sides you can take it. So side multiplied by side equal to side square. The units, the unit of area of square, meter, square centimeter, square kilometer, etc. Whatever it is given in the question, you have to use the word square. For area we are going to write square, whether it is centimeter or meter, whatever, but square word will come when you are writing area. Practice set number 45. First sum: if the side of a square is 12 centimeter, find its area. Okay, what is the formula of area of a square? Side multiplied by side or side square, right? Area of a square, right, area of a square equal to side multiplied by side. What is the side of a square? How much it is given? 12. So 12 multiplied by 12 equal to 12 12s are 144 square centimeter. When we are using the word area, what will come? Square. Okay, these units are more important. You should write the units. Therefore, the area of the square is 144 square centimeter. Okay, now second sum. If the length of the rectangle is 15 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter, find its area. Area of a rectangle equal to length multiplied by breadth. So right, second question. Length of a rectangle equal to 15 centimeter. Breadth of a rectangle equal to 5 centimeter. Area of a rectangle equal to how much? Right, area of a rectangle equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length multiplied by breadth. Length is how much? 15. Breadth is how much? 5. 15 5s are 75 square centimeter. Okay, area word is used, so that is why square. Therefore, the area of a rectangle is 75 square centimeter. Third sum. The area of a rectangle is 102 square centimeter. If its length is 17 centimeter, what is its perimeter? Okay, what they have told you in the question. Now Area of a rectangle is how much? 102 square centimeter. Length is how much? 17 centimeter. We don't know the breadth. First we'll find the breadth, then we'll find the perimeter of a rectangle. Right. Area of a rectangle equal to 102 square centimeter. Length equal to 17 centimeter. Breadth we don't know. This only we are going to find. So right, area of a rectangle equal to area of a rectangle equal to length multiplied by breadth. Okay, so how much is the length? How much is the area of a rectangle? 102 equal to length is how much? 17 centimeter multiplied by breadth. Breadth we don't know. This only breadth we are going to find. So breadth equal to, now whatever number is there with the breadth will go down in the denominator and 102 will come in the numerator. Okay, so breadth equal to 102 divided by 17 will give you how much? Yes, 6. Therefore, the breadth of the rectangle equal to 6 centimeter. We got the breadth. Now we can find the perimeter. Yes. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? Yes, 2 in the bracket length plus breadth, or 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Right, perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 in the bracket length plus breadth. So 2, length is how much? 17. Breadth we got just now. How much? 6. 17 plus 6 will give you 23. So 2 multiplied by 23 will give you 46. 46. Therefore, the perimeter of rectangle equal to 46 centimeter. Now this is perimeter, so you can't use the word square. Square will come only when the word area is used. Okay, I hope you understood this sum. Kindly go through it. Now next sum, fourth one. If the side of a square is tripled, how many times will its area be as compared to the area of the original square? Okay. The side of the square is triple. The original is, one second. Now this is a square. Now original square is how much? Side of a square of original is A. Suppose we assume it is A. After the new square will be how much? 3A. Okay, right first. Let the side of a square be A centimeter. Its area of square equal to side multiplied by side. Side multiplied by side. So how much is the side? A. So A multiplied by A will give you A square. A square centimeter. Okay. Then now it is triple. Triple means 3A. If the side of a square of a new square is 3A, then write the side of a new square. Now the side of a new square is 3A centimeter. Then area of a new square equal to side multiplied by side. Side multiplied by side means 3A multiplied by 3A. 3 3s are 3 3s are 9. 9a square centimeter. So 9a square is 9 times of a square. Okay. Therefore, the area of the new square is 9 times the area of the original square. I hope you understood this sum. See here. Now a square is how much? Now original square is how much? Area of original square is a. Okay, a square centimeter. Now it is triple. So area of a new square will be how much? 9a square centimeter. So 9a square centimeter is 9 times of a square. Therefore area of a new square is 9 times the area of the original square.